Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In today's video, I will show you how to switch between GUI and CL modes on RHEL8 and RHEL9. This is a simple but very useful skill for Linux administrators and engineers. Let's get started. Now, open my RHEL8 login root, password, again, okay. You need to ready your young server now. Now your young server is ready. Now step 1, check the current run level. Type command run level N3. Output N5 means the system is running in the GUI mode. Output this output N3 means the system is running the text mode. Now step 2, install the GUI environment. Now type command is young group install server which GUI. Yeah. Okay, now it is installing. Wait a minute. Wait some minutes. Okay, complete. Now step 3. Set the system to boot into GUI mode. Type command system control set default graphical.target. Okay, then reboot the system. If you need to boot into CLI mode, you can type command system crawl set default multi-user.target. Okay, but now I want to the graphical GUI mode, so now reboot. Okay, Great job! You have just learned how to switch between GUI and CL modes on RHEL8 and RHEL9. Now you can choose to run in system in graphical mode when you need a desktop interface or in text mode to optimize performance on servers. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.